Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a browser your default on Windows 11. Let's dive right in. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key and I on your keyboard to open Settings directly. In the Settings window, click on Apps on the left sidebar. Now find and select Default Apps from the list of options. Here in the Default Apps section, you have two ways to set your browser as the default. If you already have a specific browser in mind, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, you can search for it directly in the search bar labeled Set Defaults for Applications. Type the name of your browser, and then click on it from the search results. You'll see a list of file types and link types that your browser can open. Click on the Set a Default button next to each file type and link type you want your browser to open by default. You might have to do this for several entries, including .htm, .html, HTTP, and HTTPS. Alternatively, if you're exploring which browser to make your default, scroll through the list of apps until you find the browser you wish to set as default. Once found, click on it and then proceed to set it as the default for various file types as mentioned before. You might have to do this for several entries, including .htm, .html, HTTP, and HTTPS. It's important to note that Windows the 11th of May prompt you to try Microsoft Edge before you switch. You can bypass this by continuing with your preferred choice. And that's it. You've successfully set your browser as the default on Windows 11. This will ensure that all web links and HTML files open in your chosen browser. Remember, you can always change this setting by following the same steps if you decide to switch to a different browser later on. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.